India Got Latent. Dark comedy. A perversion of these so-called talented youth and their supporters shook the entire India with great shame. What a disrespect to our parents. In which direction is today's generation moving? This is happening with many teens and youth. It can happen with your children too. So parents, you need to take charge of the lives of your children before it's too late and help them become a better human being. Parents, if not you, who? If not now, when? Do you want happy children or responsible children? Children who value only money or children with values? Bhaktivedanta International School invites you for a vibrant workshop, discussion and a question answer session on the topic 𝗪𝗪 a complete integrated five-fold personality development of your children. Physical, physiological, psychological, intellectual and spiritual development of an individual.
मॉडर्न एजुकेशन आपको सुशिक्षित बना सकता है, लेकिन आपको सुसंस्कारित और सामर्थ्यशाली नहीं बना सकता. The vision of this workshop is to create healthy, energetic, skillful, tough-minded, focused, sensitive, conscientious, determined, humble and grateful individuals. This workshop will train you with abundance of wisdom and provide you many positive and inspirational strategies to help your children to live up to their potential.